Alright, top of the morning. I'm back. I'm mad. The Knicks lost. The Knicks lost. The Knicks lost. I'm mad. But our teacher just said pull up outside. There's something cool going on. So, hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. And great. I am here. So, I'm gonna get into it. Let's see the vibes. See? In the fourth quarter. Oh, so what's up? Real shit. What are we doing? Bro, that was the fakest game I ever seen in my life, bro.
Nah, wait, hold on. They called a flagrant on that nigga. You got a permit. No what?
That's a mechanic shit. Right? That's a real mechanic right there. That's a
That's a blood-muddied American right there.
You know, I'm trying to see what he about to do. What you about to do?
You could probably look up some stuff, bro.
Where's the E36? Wait, you got E36?
Huh?
E36? Your shit automatic.
Yeah, but I have the manual swap for it, so I just gotta do it.
It's not that. No, that.
I just gotta do it. So you know, I'm trying to go crazy.
It's a diaphragm. Single turbo.
Why would there be a diaphragm?
Eventually, of course. Eventually,
why would
but
there
right
be a
now, I don't know.
Literally on the distributor.
Oh!
It's part of the distributor
Yeah, it's part of the
system.
distributed system now. Okay, I get
So
it.
it helps it operate the vacuum.
I'm just not used to seeing that.
That's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's very crazy.
Bus is not accurately communicating with the motor. So now today's motors, CAN bus, and everything in between, every single module, every single sensor, they all connect in one way or another, and they're all used to run your motor.
Nice video.
Ambient
Thank you.
temp sensors that detect moisture in the air. So when they know that you're up and high in the mountains, it actually changes the air-fuel ratio in your car to run at optimal speeds. When you're down below in the gully, in the valley, yeah, it changes the air-fuel mixture again. Back in the day, even with motorcycles and big carbureted cars, you had to do that by hand, flathead, screw, like this. And you would have the motor running, and you would turn the screw.
And listen.
And when the motor would actually run nice, you know you were good. Your air fuel mixture was kind of in the ballpark. Today, they're down to like the millimeters, down to the very atoms of efficiency. Alright, that's why it's so much more difficult to work on these cars, and why it's so important for you to understand general engine components, maintenance, service, repair knowledge, service knowledge, everything. Yeah? You guys are gonna get to that point, so right now that's why I'm telling you it's really important for you guys to understand what's in that room. Not that I have to tell you, because you all got really good grades. But do you understand how to do it? On the rebuild that you guys did, where do you think you need more work at?
Remembering the procedures. Just remembering the procedures to begin with.
Remembering it. I can help you remember it. Yeah? You just do it again and again and again, over and over and over again. And I promise you, it'll be like the original machine. Alright, so I'm gonna fix this car. Alright guys, don't panic, walk nicely, calmly, and don't walk out.
Some bullshit.
Nah, I'm waiting to see Cobbins is gonna pull on you, boy. You ain't
Isn't it lunchtime anyway? Break time?
It's on fire! Leave your belongings, save your soul!
Save your souls.
Go this way, y'all, go this way!
Yeah. What the fuck? Where the fuck did Tyra over? I'm about to go to the V. Fuck this. Early break. Fuck out of here. Early break.
What time is it, bro?
Last like 30 minutes. I just want to start working on the engine. It's not like he's gonna know.
Huh? Alright, my people. So, I've been out here all day. This shit is annoying. But let me. Basically, I was doing the sunroof on the inside. It has like the fabric. I don't know if you remember you seen in some of my older videos. It has the fabric on the inside. Well, I wrapped it. But yo, to get this shit out, bro, I never want to have to do that shit again. That shit was fucking terrible. But now that I put that shit in there, probably that's it with taking shit out. Now I could start putting shit in, clean up, all that good shit. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Hopefully more of my classmates are there. It was tight boring today. But yeah, you know, be good, be great. I'ma holla at you.